magnetize your screwdriver. In this installment, let's finish installing the door handle here on this beautiful Kubota L4760 cab tractor. Kubota does provide brand new hardware. Do this as fast as possible. For whatever reason, my snap-on screwdriver here works perfect. Come on. This baby up and off. Uh-oh. I need my 10mm socket. Good hand on everything because this stuff will start falling. Get all back in this. Trash. We got new ones. Now we'll need to install this onto this. There we go. 3 drain holes on the bottom. Line them up with them too. Working in there, see? Perfect. So that goes in there like that. That goes in there like that. This other guy, you need to make sure you stay above that little clip right there. That goes like that. That goes like that. That goes in there like that. So treat it to some nice new hardware. Carefully get those started. double, triple check. This little guy goes in here. Boom. Now for the installation, reinstallation part. That goes in there, that goes in there. What you want to do is this little guy, put that there. Give it a few turns. Lift it up. And then put it on. And then finish tightening down the rest of the way. That goes here. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Those are like little shoulder screws, so we just need to get one started. Let's just get that one started. I don't know. I think I got it. Not sure. I don't know if I got it. One more. Let's go pull a cube straight on in there. Lock, unlock. And that's it. We'll put these in the bucket. And we'll clean this up. Door handle installation. How long does it? 8 minutes, 30 seconds. See how that come out.